That pressure is building again. Birthday, anniversary, holidays. You want the perfect gift for your wife. But what if the number one rule we follow, that expensive means better, is completely wrong? A Stanford study proves it. The difference is staggering. Carnegie Mellon found thoughtful gifts are remembered 238 times a year versus just 11 for pricey ones. This shows the best gifts for your wife have nothing to do with price and everything to do with something far more valuable. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the science of this disconnect, what happens in her brain, and how you can give the perfect gift. If it's not the price, what is the active ingredient of a great gift? Psychologists call it perceived intentionality. Intentionality is measured in effort, not dollars. Research confirms the effort you put in has a stronger impact on her satisfaction than cost. Why does effort matter so much? Because it signals your relationship is based on mutual care, not just obligation or exchange. You can boost this effect with your words, simply saying, "I remembered you mentioned this," dramatically increases its perceived value. This emotional connection is the key to lasting impact. Gifts we remember decades later are anchored to emotion, not price tags. So, we know thoughtfulness is the secret ingredient, but what is actually happening inside her brain that makes it feel so good? The answer is hardwired into our brain chemistry, and you're about to learn exactly why a thoughtful gift feels better than a luxury item. When she gets a gift that shows you truly get her, it activates a part of the brain called the ventral striatum. This is the brain's reward center. It releases dopamine for pleasure, and more importantly, oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This is a biological reward for your emotional intelligence. Her brain is chemically reinforcing her trust and your bond. So, how do we trigger this powerful brain response? What does a thoughtful gift actually look like in the real world? Strategy 1. Gift an experience, not an object. Think concert tickets or a weekend getaway. Shared memories are neurologically more valuable. Strategy 2. Acknowledge her invisible work. Hire a house cleaner, finish a project she dreads, or plan a day where you handle it all. Strategy 3. Personalize to her unique identity. A book from an author she mentioned once, or art that reflects her taste. It says, "I see you." Remember that brain chemistry we talked about? Each of these strategies is a direct route to activating the brain's reward and bonding centers. But let's be honest, can a gift be too cheap? Yes, this is about reallocating your resources from money to thought. Research shows appreciation is highest when a gift's value aligns with expectations. Too cheap can seem careless. Too expensive creates obligation. A generic $50 Visa card is impersonal, but a $50 gift card to her favorite niche bookstore shows you pay attention, boosting satisfaction. You also have to consider her love language. If hers is receiving gifts, the gift is a tangible symbol that you are thinking of her. So let's bring all this together. What is the single greatest secret to giving the perfect gift for your wife? We started with the disconnect. Givers focus on price while recipients focus on thoughtfulness. The secret is to stop thinking like a buyer. The reason for this disconnect is biological. Your brain might be telling you bigger price, bigger reward, but her brain is wired for connection. A great gift, therefore, is not an item. It's a message. The message is, I see you, I listen to you, I value you. Price is a lazy substitute for this message. The real work and the real reward comes from actively studying your wife. So we've seen that givers and receivers are playing by different rules. The rules that win aren't about your wallet, they're about your attention. Do you want your gift to be thought of 11 times this year or 238 times? One is a transaction, the other is a story she'll tell. The next time a gift-giving occasion comes around, don't ask, what can I buy her? Instead, ask, what proves I listen? Because the best gifts aren't things. They are evidence of your attention, and attention is the purest form of love. What's the most thoughtful gift you've ever received? Share it in the comments below. Let's create a library of great ideas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights into the psychology of relationships.